Welcome back, fiber friends. Today we're going to be talking about the medium wool breeds. So because some of these broader descriptors, fine wool, medium wool, don't have exact definitions, sometimes there can be some overlap or argument about where things fall. So for example, a lot of the times fine wools have a 2 to 5 inch staple length. That's a pretty large variability. Medium wools tend to have a 3 to 6 inch staple length, which doesn't sound that different from a fine wool, and especially when we get into the logistics of micron count, generally under 17 microns is considered a fine wool, but there are plenty of merino sheep that produce fleeces that are more coarse than that. And so again, when we talk about these things, they are broader categories, so just remember that as we work through this. So I think the easiest and fastest way for you to understand what the medium wool breeds are like is for me to just say that they are medium in every way. They're very versatile. They're medium in their length, in their luster, in their crimp, medium in their strength. They tend to be stronger than the fine wools, I will say. However, I think in terms of spinnability for beginners, that is where the medium wool is anything but medium. I think that for beginners, medium wools are the best places to start. They're going to be a lot easier to spin than some of the fine wools, and at the end of the day, you are going to end up with a yarn that I think a lot of beginners are going to like and appreciate more than their first merino spin. So some of my favorite medium wool breeds personally are going to be the Corriedale, Finn sheep, Columbia sheep. Tunis is also a great example, and one of my personal favorites, Cheviot, which is sometimes called a down-like breed, but in the next episode when we talk about down and down-like breeds, we'll get a little bit more into why that is.